Yo, it's all good. We can take it to the court right now. I think I can take you out with the street clothes on, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Hey guys, what's up? It is your girl Alexandra. How y'all doing? Today I'm gonna show you guys all my secrets to how to make your lips look juicy. Okay. I've gotten people asking me if I've had lip injections done or have any lip fillers. I've had a comment before where someone has said I got too much lip filler. I've never gotten lip fillers, I've never gotten lip injections. But yeah, before we get started, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Down there, right down there. Just click it, click the button. So you're already down there, go ahead and click the notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Also, if you want to check out any of my socials, my Instagram is... But anyways, we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you guys basically what I use to get juicy lips looking like I got lip injections. You want to make sure your lips are always moisturized, like literally at all times. So I always have chapstick everywhere. Like I keep it in my car, I keep it in my backpack, I keep it in my makeup bag, I keep it everywhere I can. I'll always have chapstick. There's a lot of lip balms I've tried that I just find that they don't even do anything. Like it's kind of like just like a layer. And Vaseline is one of those things. Also, one of like the grossest looks is when there's like the film on top of your lips and you get like that line right here. Vaseline, I swear, I put it on and it's like, okay, this looks juicy. And then about an hour later, I have that like, I don't even know, it looks like a butthole. Like, I don't know. So I'm gonna go into lip products that I use. One of the only products that I always use and everyone always asks me about is the gloss that I have on my lips. And I swear to you guys, it is just one product and it is the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. And is this the name? It's in Fenty Glow. Yeah, I really like this product because not only is it moisturizing, it does give a really nice color and pigment. So say you kind of just woke up and you don't have any makeup on, if you put this on, it makes you look a lot more healthier and it makes your lips look juicy. I've recommended this to so many of my friends and who have thinner lips than I do, or you know, have those lines on their lips, and they still love this product. Just a little tip for you guys, if you're ever, you know, trying to take a selfie, you want your lips to look healthy, slather this shit on like right before and take the selfie, and I swear your lips will look so juicy. I've gone on dates with guys before and they will literally be staring at my lips the whole time and they're just like, what's on your lips? And you're just like, it's my natural lips, what are you talking about? But yeah, I swear to you guys, this is like my holy grail product. I don't know what I would do without it. And it also comes with a good amount. So if you can get it, get it. The next product I really do recommend, it is like a secret of mine. I don't really tell anybody my secrets, but it'll stay between us, okay? I use this Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This is the baby right here. This is the inside of it right here, and obviously it's called a sleeping mask. So what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to put it on before you go to bed, and you know, in the morning you're gonna have like juicy, luscious lips. But my tip is that you use it throughout the whole day as a lip balm. The texture of this is completely different from any other lip balm or anything I've used before, and when you apply it, it gives you a gloss that I swear it lasts so long. Believe me, I've tried so many glosses and they have dried out my lips, and this is a sleeping mask, so it's actually really good for your lips. And not only that, if you keep applying it throughout the day, it looks like a gloss. I put this on right before the selfie and my lips look poppin'. One of my other tips that I like to do is I like to take my, just like a small brush like this, just like a fluffy brush, and I will go into my contouring color, like a darker shade of my skin color. I don't have it with me right now. And I always go under right here. And basically what that does is that it creates a shadow for your lips to look even more plump. Finally, my last tip is I don't like highlighter. I very rarely ever put on like a full face of highlighter. Only places I will highlight my face is right here on the top of your cupid's bow. So I just take a little bit and then You just pop it right on top here. It makes the very top of your lip look a little bit more plump. But yeah, those are basically all my tips. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm gonna go ahead and do my Instagram shout out. If you follow me on Instagram and then you DM me, you do have a possibility of being featured onto my video. So the next person I'm going to shout out is Josephina. Hi Josephina. I totally understand the struggle, girl. I promise you it will get better. Thank you so much for messaging me. The next person I'm going to shout out is Gabrielle. Hi. I hope my videos help you out a little bit more to apply makeup because I know you are kind of a beginner, but you know, practice makes perfect. But thank you so much, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave it down below in the comment section. If you have any hate comments, leave it down below. If you want me to post more videos, leave this video a thumbs up so I know that you guys are supporting me and that you guys want more videos from me. So thank you so much, and I will check you guys out in the next video. Bye! I personally don't like the look of chapped lips. I personally don't like the look. I personally don't like the look. If you want me to post more videos, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up so I... Excuse me. I feel like no one's ever been this close to my lips. Well, actually, I look like I'm about to seduce a man. Hey boys. Hey boys.
I go by the name Kanye Omari, and I wrote this just to say I'm sorry. I have foreign cars.